Good morning students. Today we are discussing about the tour guiding techniques and personality. Tour guiding techniques and personality, that is the main thing. We in previous class we are discussing about the what types of tour guides and what kinds of tour guides. But guides wanted to learn guiding techniques. What are there? Today we are discussing about the techniques of tour guiding. Tour guiding techniques. First of all, be prepared, study the destination. That is very important, girls. Why? Because we don't know about the destination. We are never be a tour guide. Why? Because we have to learn study of the destination. For example, Vishakhapatnam tour guide. Tour guide means they know about the history of the destination of the Vishakhapatnam, and also what are the tourist attractions in the Vishakhapatnam, what history in before the name of the Vishakhapatnam. They must study the destination. That is example for Vishakhapatnam. Every destination, be prepared to study the local destinations, local attractions, what are the main facilities, what are the amenities are there. You know everything about the destination. That is the be prepared, study the destination. That is the first one, you learning the tour guide. That is the first one. Next, plan your style commentary. It should be structured. Why? Because that is structure means what we are telling about the destination, we plan for presentation to our tourist. Tourist means Atidhi Devo Bhava. We have to plan and everything, every information to give the tourist and plan what structure. One place to one place, one. We have to in Vishakhapatnam, for example, beach area and Simhachalam and Aruku area and Lamsing, Totlakonda, Bavikonda, one. We have to learn the destination is also very easy and to plan what we are telling about the destination. We have to maintain one structure. That is the anything. You have to prepare the presentation, PPT, PowerPoint presentations like that. Next, we have to poster like we posters in Visimhachalam, like Lamsing, Aruku Valley, like that. We have to structured plan about the destination. That is also very important for the technique of tour guiding. And have an update on the local and global news and environment issues. Every tour guide to update their knowledge. That is the local news or global news or environment issues. For example, any tourist he coming to present scenario, we have to safety for the guest, and also we given information to what they are do's and don'ts. Like that, we have to maintain the every minute update news for guide. For example, in such a area where that is area is a thieves are very high level thieves are there. We have to our valuable things are very clipped lonely, like that. That is the information. And also local global news everywhere, tourist attractions, local area and also global, worldwide. What are the tourist attractions, world heritage sites information, why in Andhra Pradesh not enter the world heritage sites, that all about the news and destinations. And also we have to knowledge to environment issues also. Environment means every tourist to coming to one destination, that environment issues, some areas, tribal areas, we don't drink water, like that we have to information we are giving to the tourist. That's why be knowledge for the local and global news also. Sometimes we know about the environment issues. Okay, that is also tour guiding technique. And intercede when necessary in the interaction with the guest, the locals. Sometimes we have maintained the mingle with the local area, sometimes also some MLAs and also some officers. We have to mingle with and great about the personality about the local area to interaction. Why? Because sometimes we are in collector, we visit to the collector office, for example, that is the study tour. We visit to the collector office. So that time we should interaction with the collector or magistrate. Sometimes that time we have to intercede, means we highly, that is the great personality, like that we have to move interaction with the guests of local area. That is also very important. And be aware on the basic human behavior and attitude. That is every tour guiding. We have to maintain the human behavior and attitude. Sometimes some tourists, some clients are discouraging and criticizing, like that, but we never lose our behavior. We same attitude, we follow our attitude. In that time only we are successful. Our personality is also very important in tour guiding. Why? Because sometimes we are very angry with the clients and they are asking some more questions and sometimes discouraging, like that, but we have to human behavior and to maintain our attitude also. That is very important. Do not research to back up your facts. Why? Because don't research. Sometimes some issues, some destinations, some tourists asking more questions in particular area. In that time, don't research. In that, update the facts. Facts means sometimes we are in area, some criticized peoples are there, some destination is also like that, but do not research, back up your facts. Okay, that is very important. Don't argue with our tourist. Okay, next, be ready for permanent and intermittent questions. Why? Because sometimes they asking questions, more questions, some interesting questions also there, some are very silly questions they are asking, but don't irritate them. Be ready. Why? Because why be ready for some like that questions? We have to update on the local and global news, and also we prepared for the study of destination. We are prepared for the study of destination. Every tourist asking any question, we are answerable. That is very important. Okay, girls. Next, in case of having more than one guide, find some time to sit down, discuss to more information and learn from each other. Sometimes very more number of clients are there. Sometimes we have to maintain the 3 guides one trip and 4 guides one trip. Like that, we have to we spare some time and sit down, 2 guides or sit down and discuss what we are information given to clients. You have to given amenities for that area. You have to given for what are the history of the destination. what are the nature of the transport facilities. Like that you discuss about the everything about the main. We have to sometimes we have to sit down and discuss to information and learn each other. Sometimes why we are conducting group discussion, in that time every persons have a so many values, thinking, ideas, ideology is separate. In that time that ideas are coming to facing, and so information we are gathering in the group discussion. That's why we are conducting activities of the group discussion and quiz competitions, like that. This is also one technique of the tour guide. You discuss and learn each other. Okay, that is also where one technique of the. Next, never tell your personal life at first meeting. Don't tell your personal life the first meeting. We are first day trip. In that trip, we have to talking with the clients and also tourists like as a friend. Why? Because we treated like a friend. Every tourist treated like a friend. That time we have to mingle with the clients with very friendly, but don't tell your personal life at the first meeting. That is also very important. That we personal details we are telling about our personal details. They are using their attitude, and also they are using to our benefits. Okay, that is also very important. And be punctual at all times. That is very important. Every tour guide, be punctual at all times. Half an hour before, at least half an hour before we started to trip. In that time, be punctual. That is very important. 9:30 we are starting. At 9 o'clock you be there. That is the punctual time. Okay, be punctual. And learn map reading. Map reading also very important. Why? Because in Visakhapatnam area or any Uttarakhand, anything, any area, Delhi area, Mumbai, we have to learn map reading. Which destination we are reaching, and after that like that we have to map reading also. Be prepared for the map reading and read. Once we are reaching to one destination, to how much time, how many kilometers are there, like that we have to read our map also. That is the trip of the tourist. And learn how to say no in decent proposal. That is also very important. Sometimes we said no, but how to say? Why? Because we are a tour guide. We are very responsible duty, that is. But we are sometimes the tourists are asking some proposals. So please give me some time to staying in hotel room, like that. Sometimes they are asking any indecent proposals also. But that time you have to say no. We have to say no. How to say no? That is also be humorly and be cherishable. Like that we have to say no. Don't say no, not like that. But you have to learn how to say no. In that time, indecent proposals. Now, any proposal, any asking their questions, like in that time you never say no. But indecent proposals they are asking for you. How to say no. That is also you learning very well. And also always make a head count before, during and after the tour. That is very important. How many people's head count? 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. We have to 100 people one trip, or 50 members, or 5 members, 8 members, 10 members, like that. Every trip some head counts are there. But we always make a head count after, during the, before, during the tour and after during the tour. That is the very important. We never, in small children are there, and also eldest peoples are there, oldest people are like that. Sometimes we are missing to in tourist area, very cloudy areas they are missing. That time you have to maintain to head count during the tour and after the tour also. Next, be practical when making judgment. Think if the benefit of the majority. We are giving to judgment from a practically we are giving to the judgments like that. We are starting at start 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock. We are finishing to every tourist attractions here or there. You can make it 1 hour. This is time for you. Not like that. Don't give judgment like that. You have to think about the majority people. They wanted and benefits of the majority people. You can say like the judgments. That is also you think and what benefits of the majority people they want. 2 hours to spending the time in waterfalls, or 3 hours they spending the people in waterfalls. Like that, you majority people what they needs in that time you can give the judgment. That is also very important. And be a good decision maker. That is also very important. The tourist asking the waterfalls 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours like that. You have to wait for only to visit only waterfalls. But sometimes be a good decision makers. You give 1 or half an hour more time in the some visit for the waterfalls or any valleys or hills, anything like that. You have a be good decision maker. That is also very important, girls. This is the techniques of tour guiding. This is the very important topic in the tourism guidance. This question is also coming in essay type question. This is very important. Why? Because in tour guidance, this is the guiding techniques. You know that about the girls? These are the tour guiding techniques. You give your own examples. Don't worry about that. These are the techniques. These techniques we followed the tourism guidance. We have a good tour guide. Okay. These are the qualities and also techniques. Some techniques. Okay. Next one, the personality. Why we are discussing about the personality? Why? Because in tourism guidance, the personality and communication skills, leadership quality skills, these are very important. Why? Because the personality means not height, weight, white color, not like that. The personality means that is the very important is the particular combination of emotional, attitudinal, behavioral, response patterns of an individual. A pleasing personality is the essence of being a good tour guide. Pleasing means very smiling face, very calmly, not angry with the two clients, not angry with our clients. That is the, we have to maintain the personality, that is the attitude and behavioral, and also the emotionals. We are control our emotions sometime. That is the particular, you have to see personality is the particular combination of emotional, attitudinal, behavioral, response pattern of an individual. A pleasing personality is the essence of being a good tour guide. That is the very important. We have to maintain our attitude and control our emotions and behavioral pattern to respond the tour guide and also pleasing personality. That is very important for the in tour guide. That is a good tour guide. We become a tour guide, good tour guide. We have to maintain these qualities. Okay, next it is about spending time with clients, and tourists must enjoy within the company of tour guide. The every tourist or any clients to in our tour, they are enjoying your company. You humorable, sometimes you are humorable, and also you are knowledgeable, and also given information to about all the facts, like that. Sometimes we are joking, sometimes we are helping hand, like that. We have to spending time with the clients, and tourist must enjoy within the company of a tour guide. You are tour guide, you are a good tour guide, you have a maintain that personality, and spending time with the clients is a enjoyable. Your company is very enjoyable. At last feedback they are given to the feedback about the tourist guide. In that time you have to excellent, and also we are very enjoying your tour guide. Like that they have to say about you. Okay, that is quality you maintain. And also humor, sometimes humor, you have to play jokes. And also charisma means you have to maintain the dressing style and smiling, your attitude, like that. And rapport with the clients, to mingle with the clients also we are helping hand, also they are giving information, and sometimes they are missing some personal things. We have to given remembering power, like that. We have to rapport with the clients. And leadership are the key personality traits of successful guide. That is the you have maintained the leadership qualities about the every tourist mind. You are successful for the personality, successful for the tourist guide. That is the very important, guys. Why? Because the leadership qualities,